Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Cik Amar. Today I would like to discuss about lab 5 pointer. So my name is Muhammad Syafiq Muta. Metric number B0819110266 and my partner Amirul Syafiq bin Zainal Abidin B0819101148. So today I would like to discuss about part A and part B. So for this section 1 is they have give coding. So we rewrite at the online debugger. So what is they want to know what is output they have. So we can start to rewrite all over the coding. So next the rewrite back. Good. So yeah. Good. The main open curly bracket. Main the PTA so untuk Info so now D7 so tutup close. So next TRA save like close save close. So printf RB. So next kita PTR so close the printf recently new line comma comma pointer B close next new line pointer A pointer B close printf open recently assembly new line with so pointer A, pointer B. So next we add assembly new line. So now see one. So next now see juga. So close return 0 close. So this is, so we run the code. So this the output is the output they have. So because they want the output is 444777. This 7 is not here. So so they want like 3 this means 3 2. So 444777. So they want to, that's not 77 in here. So next they want to, in the lead sheet, they want to explain briefly what happened in the program in line 8 and 7. 8 and 17. 8 and 17. So for line 1, for line 8, this is the Q, and the value referred by pointer A equal to number C, which is 4. So for the line 9, the value referred by pointer B equal value refer pointer A, which is 4. Line 10, the value display the pointer A is 4, referring to number of C, while pointer B is 4, referring to value referred by pointer A. So line 12 is the value referred by pointer B equal to number of D, which is 7, overwriting the previous value. So for line 13, value display by pointer A is 4, refer to number C, which a pointer B is 7. For the line 15, the value refer by pointer A equal to value refer by pointer B, overwriting the previous value of the number C from 4 with 7. Line 60, the value displayed by pointer A is 7, while pointer B is 7. Line 70, printf is the value displayed by the number C is 7, while X number is 7. So this is an explanation of the program line 8 until 70. So next is we must modify the source code. In the lead sheet they want to modify. So they want to modify so that display the address of the variable, number of C and number of D. So you want to copy paste that program, so submit in the lab report. So this is modified number, modified for next coding. So we try next coding is we just see what we want to interpret. pointer is pointer B. The number of C just so pointer B pointer A print percent D and N. So pointer A B just like same, just they want to modify the number of num C and num D. So they want don't have this So print F pointer B. So print F percent D pointer A pointer B. So print D number. So this one number of C, they want the percent number. So they num C, yes, num C. So this one they want num D. So this get return 0, just one try run. So this they get. So for modified, so this is the output, the real output. They tell to this, they address the variable number of C and number of T. So this is their output. Terusnya, they want to section 2 dynamic data. So they want to write the programming for declare the pointer and variable. So they want to use this declare pointer and variable inter f no and s no. For this is input your number. For this they want to in the coding. So the sample of output they want like this. So we can write the coding. This is section B. So we can rewrite the coding. Wait, yeah, can we rewrite the coding? Sorry. So we can rewrite the coding. So hashtag include stio dot h. So inter main open. So for the next curly bracket, so this they want in the lead sheet they want like this, right? So f o comma s no close max in ptr1 select 8 with 8 n f no comma pointer to same n s and o. So close. So we print the topic they want. Print f open. So what is they want? Like the output is they want to pointer. Pointer is the topic. Pointer. So the topic is find the maximum number between two number numbers. So make a new line, open new. So next close, they want to print f again, print f. So for the input the first number. So they tell the user to put the first number. So we scan send comma and s no f no. So we like that. So we print again, print f to tell the user for input second number. Input the second number. The second number. So we close. So we scan again. Scan f %d. So let's comma s and o. So we print new line. Print f new line. Close. We using if open, if pointer 1 big, pointer 2 so they are print f to tell the user is the maximum number. So comma P1. So close. We print another is the maximum number for this. Wait for it is pointer 2. So close. So we return 0. So we run. So this is the input pointer. Find the maximum number between two numbers. So this is the topic. They want to the output like that. So input the first number. What number is 60? So next, input the second number is 70. So 70 is the maximum number. So 70 is the maximum number. Okay. So if they want the input, right? So we can see the input what they want. So this what they want input first number, input the second number, 3 is the maximum number. So that's all for part B. So I give part C to Amirul Shafiq. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Today we will do lab 5 programming, which is pointer. So my name is Amirul Shafiq bin Zainal Abidin, and for this my partner is doing for section. For this lab we have three section, which is section 1, 2 and 3. So my partner already did section 1 and 2. So for my part, I will explain for section 3, which is pointer application. So first we open the preferred IDE. For my part, I will use it online since I don't have a software. Okay, okay. First type the following program. So we already have the include Studio H. So after that, next step, add two number together and return the result. So integer add x x and y. And after that, we create a coding here, which is to add two number together. So for the coding, we can type integer add is equal to x plus y. This is to add up x and y and assign in add, and then add, and we close the function. So as you can see, this is for the first part, which is the function to add two numbers together and return the result. So we add x and y, we assign as add, and then we return the sum add. Okay. After that, take two pointer take two pointer reference to integer and swap their value. So for example, if x equal to 5, pointer x equal to 5 and pointer y equal to 3, then we swap it, become pointer x equal to 3 and pointer y equal to 5. So we just swap the value of x, y. So to do that, we need to copy this, which is which is for swap integer x integer to create the function integer. So first we assign pointer x into temp. So integer temp is equal to pointer x. And we assign pointer y into x. So m assign m into pointer y. What's the function? Okay, this is the function to swap the value of x and y for integer pointer x and y. And then next step is take one integer by reference and decrement the value point to x. So we type the function, copy the function first, the decrement, which is the x. Okay, then we make the function. Let's say we decrement. For decrement means that we minus the value by 1. So x is equal to x minus 1. Okay, and we return the value at pointer x. X. And we go to the function after that we do for the increment part. So we type the type back the instruction integer increment, which is integer point x. For the increment, we for the past decrement we minus, so for increment we add the number by 1 equal to pointer x plus 1 and return x. And we close the function. Okay. After that we doing the for the main function for this. So not responding back. Are you okay? So we just copy back the coding here. We just continue for the remaining coding. So just copy back. Okay, so for the remaining coding, we look back the instruction here. So alter and complete the rest of the code to test the add, swap, decrement, and increment function, and display each result before and after each function to validate the code. Okay, so we have four results that we need to do. For the first one is the addition. So to make that, so we have to assign first the temp into number. So we assign number one into temp. So let's say so temp is equal to 1 and temp is equal to number. Then we call the function add that we do earlier. So add 1 output, then we printf the output. Number is dash d, so then okay. So we print the output and then we verify the number before and after the oh no we printf the total number that have been added. Okay, after that if the swap function, so we printf. So first we need to display the value before the swap. So the value of swap Then call back the function of swipe. Swipe and now okay guys, so let's continue where we left off. So for the past we into swipe function, anti-swipe function. So let's continue. So we need to printf after we need to printf the number after the swipe. So value of num and num2 after swipe is 1 equal to percentage d num2 equal to percentage d and num1 okay, after that we go to the increment part. So we printf the value before increment first. Value of one before increment is percentage e. For that we call the increment function create earlier. After that we print back the value after. So I just copy back this and just change this. Okay. After that we go to the increment part, which is the same as increment. So let's say we have the value of one before the increment is call back the decrement function. Print back the value after decrement. Then we return 0. Son. Okay, so here we are. Enter two numbers separate by a space. So let's say we have 7 and 3. Press enter. Okay. Let's say number 1 is 7 and number 2 is 3. So first the total number is 10, and then the value of num1 and num2 before swap. Num1 7, num2 is 3. And after that we call the swap function, and after that it will swap the value. So num1 become 3 and num2 become 7. And after that the value of num1 before increment is 7. And after that the value of num1 after increment is 8. So it increased by 1. After that the value of num1 before increment is 7. Oh, typo ni. After that is ni. Typo sikit. Typo. Okay, is 7, and value of number after decrement is 6, so it decreased by 1 lah. Okay, so that's all for section 3. We have the add, we have the swap value, we have the decrement value and increment value by using 4 different functions. So that's all for today from me. My name is Amirul Shafiq bin Zainal Abidin, and thank you to Encik Amma Faiz, and I hope this can help me by give by this can help me get mark. Okay, thank you. Bye.